Hey y'all! Your breath stinks. Shut up. I brushed my teeth this morning. Today we're gonna be doing the 24-hour handcuff challenge, y'all. These handcuffs are like really flimsy, but they in there. Look, my arm is not going anywhere. You see that? You see that? Yeah, no room at all. See, babes? No, kind of, a little bit of room, but not really at all. So yeah, we want to be handcuffed for 24 hours. Thank you, baby. Then we could do it. My hair, like, I just damn it, yo. I just did my hair not so long ago, and it's like really puffy. Then we can do it. 24 hours handcuffed to me. Yeah.
I'm watching my show right now.
I don't care. Whoever takes their hand out first has to give the other person what? A 15-minute back massage and a 5-minute foot massage. Okay. That's not good. That's not good. Thank you. Yeah. Thank you, babe. Okay, so now Babe's trying to watch her show. She's watching Spider-Man. But
can we watch the rest of this?
No, I'm hungry. You ate a sandwich. I didn't eat a sandwich. I didn't eat. I'm hungry. So we're about to go downstairs and eat. So come on, babe. Let's go.
No, wait. Let's just watch it a little bit more.
I'm hungry.
Just a little bit more.
Y'all see this? I'm hungry. And she want to watch Spider-Man. Get off of me.
You have to put a shirt on. Wait a minute, damn it, if I fall down the stairs.
Babe, come on. You should have been put your shirt on. Now you're going to try to put a handcuff over your shirt. Under your shirt.
My shirt smells.
So, what are we about to eat?
Turn around. You got my food.
You about to make some bacon and biscuit? Babe, do the worm.
Oh, goddamn. What the fuck?
Move. Wait, move over. You keep moving my arm.
Oh, well, you want to play this challenge? Well,
I'm not going to.
Yeah. Dance for him. Dance for him. Dance.
She's mad. I'm making biscuits and bacon. Biscuits and bacon. Gotta try to put my biscuits. I'm so hungry.
I'm about to lose already. I had enough of your shit.
Dude.
No, you
gotta get over here.
I don't care about none of that.
You have to come.
I don't care about none of that.
You have to come near me. If I'm walking somewhere, you have to follow me.
No.
Now, time for the bacon. Stop it. Come on, babe. Get close.
Stop. I'm touching it.
Hey, y'all. Shut up. We still at this thing 24 hour. People in my face. 24-hour challenge.
I already know.
Then you can stay 24 hours handcuffed to me.
Getting on my fucking nerve.
I am not getting on your nerve.
Go, drive.
It don't hurt.
Just pulling my skin.
It's pulling your hair and your skin. I look like Dora.
You do look like Dora.
Don't play with me.
That was good.
I do not look like Dora. Like what? Yo! It's October 1st. It's the first of the month. Wake up, wake up, wake up. It's the first of the month. Get up, get up, get up. Yeah! Hell yeah! Hell yeah! Bae is so over me, y'all. She is so annoyed at me. She's ready to go back to school, but guess what? I'm keeping her hostage. I'm keeping I need to get over. I have to go get another tire because they have like a little tiny nail in my tire. I have to either get it patched up or get a new tire. But yeah, we're on our way to do that right now. I'm Wake up. Yo.
Stop.
Sorry.
I'm kidding. None of that.
I don't care about none of that. Babe, wait, come on. Babe, would you stop?
I'm doing this in the store.
I have to walk. You have to slow down. Ooh.
Store. Oh my gosh, look at my butt.
Look at your butt.
Come on.
Ooh. Babe, wait.
I had to shit. Yeah, you want these on? Then you gotta keep them on when I go shit too. See if you take it off then.
Babe,
Let's
you
go.
know. I don't. Don't say that. Babe, look at your head. You look cute. Check out Babe real quick. Check out Babe real
Oh, babe.
quick. All right. You have to slow down.
You have to speed up.
You walking too fast. I'm trying to look myself in the mirror and she mad.
Come on.
What? To the service center.
Do you know where it's at?
I don't know. That's why
These are like, they're not cute, but you know what I'm saying? Like Halloween is coming up. Like stop looking, fix your face, please.
Come
Like you mad
on.
for what?
I am. I'm
I'm excited Halloween is coming up.
I'm excited that Halloween is coming up and she's mad.
You're getting on my nerves.
Mad. You
I'm going home tonight.
no, shut
I'm
up.
going back to school tonight. How about that?
You're mad. And you're gonna stay mad. And you're mad. Babe.
What? Woman, what?
Yo, I've been driving her crazy. I'll get it up. Fix your face. You be so mad. Yeah, look at her eyebrow, her eyelashes. They're cute.
You
They're so
stressing
long.
me out.
Look this way.
Oh my god.
Your eyelashes are so long, aren't they? Turn it.
What?
Flash them. Yo, she's being childish. Can you move? Like, I'm in the store really trying to get out. She's trying to let me out. Can you move? They looking at me like I'm crazy. Stop! Get on my nerves.
Think you so?
Y'all, she broke the rule. The bet is over. The challenge is over. Thanks to this one.
And she was getting on my fucking nerves.
Thanks to this one.
Baby.
Yo, she lost. I want my 15-minute rub and my 5-minute feet rub.
I'm gonna give you a rub on.
Period. And that's on period. And that's on who, babe? Who that's on? Oh, shit, my phone. Period. You see that reflex game? So strong. Keep playing with me. You're gonna get two piece. Period. Hey, get the keys out.